So good architecture also allows independent development and deployment.
And independent development, for in case our audience doesn't know what that is basically working in parallel, right? So having basically a feature, and let's say this feature has a networking part and a UI part, and two developers at the same time can work independently on these things. You don't have to wait. It's not a sequential thing where
it's not a serial queue, right?
No.
Where you say, I cannot start working because I need to wait for the database, or I need to wait for the backend, or I need to wait for whatever.
Exactly. No. You can do it in parallel, and it's so much faster. It's so much cheaper for everyone, basically.
Yeah. And even if you can do things in parallel with a lousy architecture, the problem is that a lousy architecture will force you to deal with a lot of merge conflicts. One small change in one part of the code affects unrelated parts. So a good architecture is not going to just allow independent development, but will allow you not to get in the way of your peers, and your peers not getting into your way.
Yes. And that's something very valuable.
Yes.